Alright, so this video is going to be a old start, cold start on the Toro trimmer. This is model 51936. Now, this thing's been sitting all summer. I've not used it. I think possibly this thing's been sitting since the startup video that I filmed back in April. So, let's see how well this starts. So, I think it's already on, so that's good. Choke it, prime it up. Alright, so now let's see how well this thing starts. You just put the camera here, something to rest it against. There we go. So let's see how well this thing starts. And by the way, this is powered by a 25cc Kawasaki engine, the same engine that is used on Echoes. So let's see how well this starts. There we go. And I'm not even holding the throttle either, by the way. So let's try that. Maybe it will start now. There we go.